the best part about Bitcoin is you can't bail anybody out. You can't inflate the currency for a bailout, right? So let's say I'll tell you guys a real example. So I live in the United States of America, right? You guys know that. All of my banks in the United States of America are insolvent. If you run the numbers on Bank of America, they have more liabilities than assets. So they are in the negative. So all the banks don't have any money. Okay, my government is printing currency to help them out. So I'm getting more poor. Well, not actually, because I don't own any fiat anymore. But in theory, my neighbor, yeah. But the point I'm trying to make is that my neighbor is getting more poor because of Bank of America's mistake, right? Human beings coordinating within a marketplace, within an economy, and taking risk is normal and totally ethical and totally fine. If Bank of America wants to take risk and Bank of America fails, that shouldn't have anything to do with me. The fact that I have to pay for Bank of America failing is the crime. And so FTX failed. I don't give a fuck. I just don't care. They didn't print any Bitcoin. So I didn't get debased at all. Sure, you can speculate that maybe the spot price of Bitcoin was affected by a lot of that shenanigans, but it really, that's the free market being the free market. So I think that's really another important point to me, is that everyone has the option, and I don't think it should matter, in my opinion, too much what anyone else wants to do, because that counterparty risk lives with them. If you're dumb enough to have a relationship with an institution like Sam Bankman-Fried and leave your coins on his exchange, then you lose, but not everybody else, which is different in the fiat world, where if someone loses, then you burden the cost. So as long as people have options, I'm a believer, do whatever the hell you want. Right? I don't know.